C, D, E, F, G.
Good morning, gorgeous gals and guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and this is just Nella. I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator based in Jamaica, and I'm also a full-time medical doctor. And welcome to a week in my life. Let's see how far this gets me in terms of, recording, if I'm able to record everything. But today is Tuesday, and January January 25th. So today's Tuesday, January 25th. It is a clinic day. So first I go to the ward to see the patients, and then I head to the clinic to see more patients, and then hopefully clinic finishes early and I can get to go to the supermarket, as well as what else do I need to do today? I need to write down my to-do list so that I can have a clear plan for what I need to do for my day today. But I definitely need to go to the supermarket. Alright, so I'm just in traffic now heading to work, so I'll carry you guys along with me. Hopefully you enjoy the journey, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like content like this. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright friends, so I am home now, and I not too long got in. It is after 3, around 3:20. So I got home early today, yay! Which is great. Casper is excited to see me right now. He is licking my foot. Like, Casper, you clearly have a foot fetish, I'm just saying. Anyways, yeah, so I'm home now. I'm going to go get changed because I'm trying this whole, healthy lifestyle. So I'm gonna put on some workout clothes and try and do, at least an hour's worth of exercise, something. And then I'm gonna unpack, because as you guys saw, I went to the supermarket today. I went to the supermarket, so I'm gonna try and unpack everything, sort them out, and then come up with my menu for the week. And then I have to cook because I'm on duty tomorrow, 24 hours. So I have to prepare my meal for tomorrow, and then meals, because I have to do breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then at least breakfast again for Thursday. So yeah, that's what I have to do for the rest of the night. I also need to clean up the space, not going to do a full deep cleaning, but yeah. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight. So right now I'm just chillaxing, relaxing, maxing on, shooting some b-ball up down the street when a couple of guys, they're up to no good, started making trouble in the neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You moving with your auntie and uncle below." Alright, yeah. So I'm just relaxing for a little while, and I'm gonna change and I'm gonna go work out. Boy, this life. Doing everything by yourself, man, I need a sugar daddy. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, later guys. Hey Casper. Hi Pussy. Hi. Smile for mommy. You're so beautiful. You're such a happy good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. If you are not as happy and excited to me every time like Casper, then you're not the guy. Hey Casper. Hey Poopsie. Hey Poopsie. Hey Poopsie. Who's a good boy? Who's the bestest boy ever?
I have one thing to say. You better work.
So, I just finished working out. Look at my... I don't think you guys can see my mask, but like my mask is wet because I work out with my mask on, you know. In these COVID times, I am sweating. Look at my face. I am tired. Well, you can't look at my shirt because my shirt apparently does not show sweat, even though girl is sweating and dying. But I don't know if maybe turning on the light. No, you're not seeing it, but just know, sir, my mask is soaking. I don't know. The lighting is not showing. Maybe here. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah, I decided to get a personal trainer because my lazy ass was not doing the work. So I thought I'd get someone who would whip my ass in shape, and I think a girl boss a little too close to the sun because I'm tired, but it should pay off now to get my nutrition in order so that I can actually, you know, get in shape. So I'm gonna head back home now, heading back to my baby, to Casper, and to do all the things that I need to do at home. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so it's a little after 6 and I'm not too long. I just got home, really. Casper, come here. Oh, good boy. So here's Casper. Licky, licky, licky. Casper, look at the camera. Casper, look at the camera. Alright, I'll put him back down. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'm gonna just... Casper! Yeah. So he is up and down. He is uber excited. Like I say, like doing sprints across my kitchen, my apartment. Alright, so like I said, I just got home. The stuff, my grocery stuff. Holy, like this. Yeah, my grocery stuff are still. Alright, so as you guys can see, the stuff I bought at the supermarket are still out. So I'm gonna pack those up. But first, came off the road. Going to go wash my hands in the bathroom before I start unpacking and putting them in the fridge or in the cupboards, wherever they're supposed to go. Casper, hi boy. He is, oh my god, love. Oh, this is love, true love. Alright, yeah. So I'm gonna do. Bienvenidos a la cocina verde. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright, so in addition to packing up the stuff, there are some stuff that I bought that I have not put out as yet. Right? I need to do a little bit of an unboxing. So I got these from, you know, All That Matters. So I got these little cupcake things. These are just like $100 plus tax. It comes with 75, so you know, good value for money. I've already opened it because I used 6 and I baked some muffins on Sunday. My sisters were over, and so we baked some muffins, or I baked muffins for them. I also got this potato masher, and this was like $6.80 plus tax. It's just to mash up potatoes, because I love mashed potatoes, but using a fork sometimes can be tedious. I also So I got this. This is like a glass dish. This is like 720 plus tax. Yeah, so this is like to bake into stuff like, you know, lasagna or, you know, casserole or any of those things. You can put this in here, and it's oven safe, which is one of the things I wanted. I wanted to make sure it's oven safe. And the last thing I got is actually already in here, and these were some coasters. Yeah, I need some coasters. I realized that I've gotten a little bit anal about certain things, and having coasters is definitely one of them, you know, in an apartment. So I'm going to pack these out as well as the stuff for the that I bought today. Ooh. So I'm just gonna finish unpacking the stuff because I'm running out of space. But I also got one more thing that I want to show you guys. So for Christmas, I got an air fryer from my sisters. I told them I wanted one, and they got one. Thanks, guys. I also got this 18-piece cookware set. Gracias, mama. So this set was bought. Both stuff came from Amazon. This was like $50 for 18 pieces. You come with every pot and pan and strain and everything I could possibly need. So yeah. Girl is living large. So I'm gonna unbox these. I wanna unpack these as well, and then put everything in the fridge at the same time, and then get on with my night. All right. So this is how one of the pots look. So these are how the pots are looking. So I'm just packing them out. Here are some of the pans, and this is the air fryer. So my sister's got like a mint green color for whatever reason, and then these are like some of the pans. 1, 2. Let me go to the other side. And these are the breasts. So I'm gonna just pack them out. I even have like a saucepan. Well, not saucepans, but you know, like, yeah. And this one can use to make like dough or kneading like a pizza. So yeah, your girl doing things. It also came with this. This is like a strainer to, you know, strain things like pasta and noodles and whatever. And then it came with these like different kitchens. So you have like a spatula. All of these. These are here they are out of the package. So you have like a soup ladle. They have spatulas. And yeah, let me hold them up for all of you kitchen experts. Under $50 for all of these. Deals.
From your battle, now my master say I'll be on you everything I desire. I will receive vibes. You know they kill my vibes. You know they kill. You know they kill. You know they kill my vibes.
security guard saw me struggling and helped me carry my bag to the elevator because, you know, duty days are packed and stacked. So guys, this is what I'm having for lunch today. I have some soft tacos, some hard tacos, some minced beef, some ripe plantain, and some lettuce, herbal lettuce, tomato, sweet pepper, and some shredded cheese. Girl ran out of lettuce, so there is no lettuce involved in in the making of this taco. All right, it is Wednesday, but it's January 26th. I had clinic today, ward work. Today is my theater list. I know I'm about to go in, but I didn't do the surgeries. Another resident did. And now I am going to go to do my DNCs. There are 6. I have a biopsy, cervical biopsy, DNCs. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Yep. Oh, honey, so our friendship ceases from now on. So I not too long got out of theater. And I just had my dinner, which I was so greedy. I did not, oh my god, fix my hair. Yeah, I did not video it. I just ate it, but I did take pictures, so I'll probably insert it into my video. But yeah, it is now, what time? It is 9:17. Just had some leftover Indian food. I had some, what was it? Garlic cheese naan and some spicy chili chicken. Yeah, that's what I had. And yeah, now I'm just here. So yeah, that is what I'm doing currently. And so I'm gonna take a little break while I can, because right now the body is going through it. Everybody is like, lots of doctors, nurses, PCs, porters, auxiliary staff, security, tired. We are tired right now, you know. We're tired. Some of us are getting sick, and those of us who are not sick and have to be carrying the mantle on our shoulders are just tired, which puts us at risk of getting sick. So yeah, man, it is rough. So guys, please wear your mask. Wear your mask. Help we out. Help us out in the name of Jesus, because this is not it. It's not it. Alright, let's go. See you guys in a few. Good morning. I'm here. Oh my god, my hair coming off. Post call. Don't change. Hi guys, so today is Thursday, January 27th. I not too long came home from working out, and yes, I've been a bit delinquent, but today was a busy day. Alright, I had work, I was post call, had ward rounds with a consultant, and I took Casper to get his grooming. So Casper is back to being bougie Casper. Right, so bougie Casper is back, the sack, even though he never really left. So I'm gonna try something now. I'm gonna try using my air fryer for the first time. I'm going to be making some, so let me show you what I'm gonna make. So I have this ripe plantain that is well ripe, so I don't want it to spoil, because in these trying economic times we cannot be having things spoiling. So I think I'm going to make some, I'm going to try use the air fryer and make air fried ripe plantains, you know, cut back on the calories and all of that. So I looked up a recipe online just to make sure it could be done, you know, and they said to put in the air fryer at 370 degrees for 8 minutes on one side, and then flip it over to 5 minutes on the other side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm gonna try. But first, I have to cut up the plantains. So, got my knife, and let me get the cutting board. I'm just using the small cutting board instead of the big one because it's not like I'm doing a lot. And I'm just gonna cut up my plantain. Yeah. So these are the plantain. Like, I don't know why Americans say plantain, but these are the plantains, and well, the one plantain that I cut up, and here it is. This is Casper down there. Hi, Greedy Gretchen. Right, so this is the plantain I just cut up, so I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, and let's see how this works out. Hi, Casper. What's up? Hi, Casper. Hi, Greedy Gretchen. Alright, so what it says is that you're supposed to use like a spray, like an oil spray, but I ain't got none of that right now. So what I'm gonna use is some pumice olive oil, whatever. I'm just gonna put a little cap, sprinkle it. So I never use it, so it looks like I need to, you know, set it up. So first I'm going to look at the instructions. Alright, so insert power into the cable. Carefully pull the air fryer drawer out. Place the food inside the air fryer. Pull the drawer back. Temperature, determine cooking time, and stuff. So what is this? What? I guess this goes in the air fryer. So what is it? I don't know what this is for. Let me see if I can look at the box. Alright guys, I think we're ready to go. So, just a sprinkle. Casper, what's up? Sprinkle like you're sprinkling against. And gonna put these. Honestly, this fried plantain smells so good. It's like you could eat it right now. Like you could eat it raw. Like it smells so good. Like, you know, a banana, really ripe banana. Delicious. So putting it on the tray. They're not all cut equal because ain't nobody got time for that. But they're cut equal enough. And any leftover can be done for another day. You know what I mean? So put it in. Let's turn it to 370. 370. That is not even me sneezing. That is Casper. Alright, Casper has allergies. Like, whole ass child. Anyways, so they say push 370. So I'm gonna, on the air fryer, I have 355 and 390. So I'm gonna say 370 is about here. And then set it for I want it at 15 minutes because this seems to be good. And voila, it is on. So now we wait and let's see how it works. ABC, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, ABC. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, you and me. That's how it goes. In the meantime, I'll drink my vitamin C supplement because, yeah, in this our year of the Rona year 3, I have to keep my vitamins up, you know. Guess what? What you gonna do? Oh my god, if you guys see Casper's face right now. All done. I was gonna sick. I'll clean up everything after. So the instructions say at the halfway mark, flip them over. So I'm just gonna flip them on the other side. And that's what I'm doing right now. So just flip each individual one. Hopefully this stays good enough because could have just fry the plantain like a normal Jamaican. I'm gonna say it would taste good. But we're trying to be healthy in 2022. Right, Casper? I'm not gonna lie, if when this finishes don't taste good, girl is going to take out her frying pan, put the frying pan on the stove, and fry this over. I'm not even gonna lie. So let's hope this turn out good, because I'm not gonna waste my ripe plantain like this. Not even. Alright. Let's wait. So with the I have some salmon here that I seasoned, and that's what I'm going to eat with the ripe plantain. And I'm going to try and use the air fryer as well, or I'm either going to use the air fryer or my George Foreman grill. So I think I'm going to try the air fryer and see what it turns out. But I also have the mean George Foreman grill, which I bought years ago. And I might use that as well if the air fryer thing don't work out. So let's see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes, right? See how it goes. Let's sit and wait. This is Cooking with Nella. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just gonna sit down and maybe read or watch a show, catch up on the shows that I have not seen all week because girl is tired, or work on my blog post because I have not worked on my blog since October. Like, despicable. How rude. Oh, speaking of which, let me just plug right here. One of my friends, her name is Rochelle. So it's an idea that I had as well, but I haven't, she actually did it. And she has a travel guide about traveling in Jamaica. And so you can buy it on Amazon. I will link it down below. So if you guys want a travel around Jamaica guide, I'll link it down below. Support a fellow Jamaican, support a fellow creator, and she's also a medical doctor as well. So support. And and just support her first, you know, venture. It's available both in print on Amazon as well as soft copy like Kindle. So support. I plug my friends, so you know, support. I also saw that my friend, if you're in Jamaica, one of my other fellow content creator, her name is Tina Chai. She also has some totes that are cute, so you can also, you know, support her. I will also link that down below because I believe in supporting my fellow content creators and small business owners and in their ventures, especially because I'm gonna call a corporate Jamaica out. As a corporate Jamaica do like to work with small creators, even though they are niche creators and it makes more sense to work with them. Like, they don't necessarily want to work with a travel creator who has a target audience that is focused on travel. They just want to work with also the popular ones, and so they would want to give you the stay or they want to give you the place, but so they'll give you a complimentary stay and they'll give you a complimentary, you know, visit, but they don't necessarily, which is good because I mean it's still a value. But so I'm not even going to complain about that. I find that the villas, the small villas and boutique hotels are more willing to work with small creators. I will say that they're more willing to work with small creators. They're the ones who are more likely to reach out, working with us. But a lot of times it's complimentary stays, complimentary food and drink. Sometimes the food and drink is not even complimentary, but there's no necessarily financial transaction, there's no payment necessarily for the creation of the content. There is just complimentary stuff. And let's be real, it takes all the time. You have to think about the transportation to get to the destination. You have to think about the fact that you are spending time and effort, you're creating content. And in a first world setting, in an international setting, the content that a lot of us are creating, A1 from the day one, would be paid for. But Jamaica is still inching, but it's creeping slower than a newborn baby. Like, the newborn baby start walk already, and Jamaica is still not at the place where they're paying small creators because they still think it's all about the numbers rather than having an engaged audience who is directly following you for a specific reason. Make it make sense. Anyways, so point is, 2 of my friends and content creators have launched ventures. That is Rochelle from Adventures from L. She has her travel guide, and Tina from Tina Chai, who has her totes. So go and support them. I will link them down below. Alright? So yeah, let me just go sit down or play with Casper because Casper is out here acting up. Alright? So the timer has gone off. Let's see. Okay. I mean, not exactly how I'd want it, but it's supposed to be the low fat version, so these are how they're looking. Now it's for the taste test. So it is time for the taste test. So I'm just gonna get 4 pieces. That's alright. Tastes like ripe plantain, you know. So what I'm gonna do now is to take out the plantains and put in the salmon. So for the salmon, it says 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Timer went off, so them say it finish. Let us try. Alright, trying the salmon. Small piece. Tastes cooked. So if you guys see me sick with running belly, You guys know what happened. I tried air fryer food, but it tastes cooked so far. So far, so good. It don't taste too bad. I'm gonna try this. See the lighting. Yeah, it don't taste too bad. So now I'm gonna, make myself a bougie meal. Okay. My finished dish. I'm still working on my presentation, but we're all about being a little bit bougie tonight. So you have the salmon, the ripe plantains, the lettuce, tomato, so just a little bit of a salad. Dinner is served. So I don't have any chairs or tables yet, apart from my computer table. So I have my bed has like a little trunk, which I think you guys have seen me like leave stuff on. So that is where I am sitting. Let me just show it down. Right. So I'm just sitting here and I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. Yeah. Casper is here eyeing my food. Look at him.
As best as you can be right now during these times.
So, my overall assessment, the salmon was good. It was good. And the plantains, they were cooked, but I prefer my regular high-fat fried plantain the Jamaican way. Put it in some oil. It just tastes better. It just tastes better. But it can go on, I guess. But it just tastes better the Jamaican way. So it is now, let's see what time is it. Casper. I'm watching Janae Daily. I don't know if you guys watch it, but she does like interior design. Absolutely love her. So that's what I'm watching now. It's like 8:57.
Good morning,
8:57
Today
now.
is kind of like a half day where there's breakfast and there's another
I'm just
session.
winding down.
And I
Casper is apparently learned a new trick. Trying to get on the bed. Let's see if he does it. Are you even seeing this? And Casper just put himself up. So look who just climbed on my bed. Hair blowing in the breeze. Dear Jesus. Can I have no rest? Casper is like, Mommy, where you go, I go. So I'm coming from my bathroom because I'm about to do my skincare routine. But before I do, I came across some products that I thought I would share. When I, like on my Instagram channel, I did something called Feature Fridays, especially in 2019, 2020. I kind of slowed down in 2020. But I found some products and I just wanted to share it with you guys while we're here, since this video is coming out on a Friday. And that is these. Now, these are by Star Beauty Products. This is a lemon sugar scrub, and it retails at Fontana for $585 plus tax. Now, the reason why I'm telling you guys this is that these body scrubs smell absolutely divine. So this is the lemon one. This is the cucumber one. And oof, it smells delectable. Smells fresh, smells sweet. And this one is the coffee. And these are how they look. See? Coffee. Delectable. Cucumber. And lemon. Like, I think these are some affordable alternatives, because I know a lot of us, like, if you're into body care and skincare, you're supposed to you'd want to exfoliate at least 1 to 2 times a week. And a good exfoliator is impeccable. Makes your skin smooth, like a butter. And we all want that good, clean, smooth skin. Now, the reason why I want to introduce them to you is because I know that a lot of us use the Tree Hut scrubs, which can run even though they're pretty affordable in like the US, in Jamaica they can run pretty pricey. Like $1,800 or more Jamaican dollars can run very pricey, like 3 times the US dollar value. So these are some locally made alternatives. They are made, or distributors, 5 Central Road, Kingston 5. So locally made alternatives at Fontana for $585. I think these are some nice affordable alternatives to the Tree Hut scrubs. So I just wanted to introduce you guys in case you're interested. Now, this is not sponsored, but I thought, you know, I like to put you guys on game. I like to peep you guys on game, so you can try them. All right. So then I'm just gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm not gonna do it on camera because ain't nobody got time for that. I'm trying to get ready for bed, and you guys have seen also my skincare routines already, and I'll probably do more in the future. So yeah, next time you see me, this face would have been done. Let me just tell y'all one more thing. The kind of government and governance I have been under. So, your boy Casper, I showed you guys, or I would show you guys in this video, that your boy Casper has now learned how to climb up on the girl's bed. Before, you just, you know, chill, come up on my bedside, you guys seen him, you know, bark, laugh. Now the boy has learned how to come up on the bed, you know, pull himself up. Let me tell you what else he knows how to do. So I usually keep Casper in the back in the trunk, and you guys have seen it in videos. He has now learned to climb from the trunk to the back seat, into the front, and then you know what he does? He sits in my lap. He tries to sit in my lap while I'm driving. So now I have to put in his leash and trying to tie it, and now I had to buy a dog seatbelt. So I'm waiting for that to come from Amazon because he don't know how to act. The next thing he did, I'm trying to luxuriate. I'm trying to have some alone time, some peace and quiet in the bathroom. Oh no, Casper said, you pay bills in here? A your house? A fufa house. Casper turns the knob, opens the door, comes in the bathroom and just looks at me like, Why are you locking the door? You pay bills in here? Where do you think this is? Check yourself before you wreck yourself. That is how. I'm like, it's clearly my father. I don't know if Casper is my man, my father, or my child. One of them. One of them. But this guy, this dog named Casper, Funa dog, Funa friend, Casper, a go on. He is going on too bad. Anyways, let me get this skincare done and get ready for bed because y'all's boy is going on too wild. Too wild. Alright guys, so I have set the mood. My diffuser is going. My tea is nice and warm. I'm about to my fan is on so that I can cool down. So I'm about to head to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and I have my sleep mask. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is a week in my life. I'm gonna close it off today and then I may start a new vlog tomorrow for a weekend in my life. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And if you enjoy the video, just keep on watching more, you know, put out that watch hours. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Peace. It is bedtime.